GOX7 SpiderWebs SpecialEffect is a high-performance spray paint that can be used for interior and exterior projects. To create a deceptively marble-like effect, place the spray paint further away from the substrate. Spray vertically with a wrist flick movement. Apply the paint lightly with 1 or 2 passes to create the deceptive marble-looking effect. To create a cobweb-like effect, position the spray paint closer to the substrate. When spraying, move the hand horizontally in a steady motion. Apply the paint lightly with a single passes through the substrate. This technique can also be applied to make interesting calligraphy. You can also apply the paint with exaggerated wrist movements to create a more random effect.